Whether it's a zen pond, fountain, or hot tub, in today's Ask Angie segment, we break down the pros and cons of water features. On hot summer days, there's nothing quite like having a refreshing pool to jump into. Angie Hicks, Chief Customer Officer and Home Expert at Angie, is here to talk about water features.
Pools and hot tubs are great water features. They're a lot of fun, can make summer so much more enjoyable. But before you install one, be sure you understand the commitment and maintenance required to maintain it.
If you're looking for a peaceful atmosphere, think about installing a pond. Ponds are quiet and can support wildlife like koi fish, goldfish, and aquatic plants. Artificial ponds can come in all shapes and sizes, so it will be easy to find an option that works for your space.
Fountains are another popular water feature. They're affordable, they're easy to maintain, and they come in a lot of different sizes and aesthetics. One point you do want to keep in mind, though, is they can be noisy, so they may not be perfect for all households or neighborhoods.
And if you want your backyard to feel like an oasis, consider installing an artificial waterfall or stream. They're beautiful, and they can add more visual interest to any home, but they work best in large outdoor spaces.
No matter which water feature you choose, remember there is going to be ongoing maintenance and cost. So talk to your pro to determine which one's going to be the best fit for you.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Tweet them using the hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.